Hi. Today we'll discuss about aggregate functions. MySQL. Aggregate functions. MySQL. Okay. Aggregate functions are used to perform the calculations on multiple rows of data and return a single result. Aggregate functions are used to perform calculations on multiple rows of data and return a single result. Okay. They are mainly used to report summaries and data analysis. There are mainly used in reports, summaries and data analysis. Okay. And number one, count function. Okay. Number two, sum function. Number three, average function. Okay. Number four, minimize function. Number five, maximize function. Number six, group by. Number seven, having class. Number eight, okay. We'll discuss one by one. First we'll discuss count. The purpose of count counts the number of rows in the table. Counts the number of rows in a table. Okay. Syntax for this: select count column name from table name. Okay. Example for this: ID, name, salary, department. ID 1, Ravi, 30,000. ID 2, Rani, 35,000. HR. Number 3, Raj, 40,000. IT. Number 4, Sita, 25,000. Admin. Okay. Query for this: select count star from employees. Okay. Answer is 4. We'll check practically. Okay. First we'll create the table: cd MySQL cdbn MySQL u root -p, enter. Okay. Show databases. Okay. Use test. Show tables. Select star from emp. Yes. Now we will check select count from emp. Yes, 6. And next coming to sum. The purpose of sum, calculate the total value of column. Calculates the total value of a column. Query for this, select sum salary from EMP. Okay. Now we'll check. Select sum salary from EMP. Yes, 19,000. Okay. Now in this, 1,90,000, that means show select star from EMP. In this, to count to 30,000, 30 plus 35 plus 28 plus 40 plus 25 plus 32 is equal to 1,90,000. And next coming to average. The purpose average to calculate the average value. Okay. In this, select average salary from EMP. Okay. We'll check. Select average salary from EMP. Yes, 31,666. Okay. Next coming to minimize salary. Minimum. In this, to find the smallest value. To find the smallest value. Query for this, select min salary from EMP. Okay, we'll check. Select min salary from EMP. Yes, 25,000. This one, to find the lowest salary. Next coming to maximum. Okay. In this, to find the highest value. Finds the highest value. Query for this, select max salary from EMP. Okay, now we'll check. Select max salary from EMP. Yes, 40,000. Here, to highest salary. Select star from EMP. Highest salary. Next coming to group by. Group by. Group by. The purpose of group by, groups rows with the same values and applies the aggregate functions. Groups rows with the same values and applies aggregate functions. Okay, this one query for this, select department comma sum salary from EMP group by department. Okay, we'll check. Select department sum salary from EMP group by department. Sum salary from EMP group by, yes, okay, there is 3 groups, finance and HR IT groups. Okay, salary calculated department wise. Now coming to having, the purpose of having is to filter grouped data. Is to filter grouped data. Okay, where cannot be used with aggregate functions. So we have is having query for this, select department sum salary from EMP group by department having some salary greater than 30,000. Okay, now we'll check. Select department sum salary from EMP group by department having some salary greater than 30,000. Yes. Okay. Now to shows the department where the total salary is greater than 30,000. Okay. Next, difference between where and having. Difference between where and having. Okay, where having. Filter rows, filter groups, used before group by, used after group by. Cannot use aggregate functions. Can use aggregate functions. Okay. Next, coming to example for this. Select department average salary from EMP where salary greater than 25,000. Okay. Group by department having average salary greater than 30,000. Okay. Here first filter salary greater than 25,000 and then groups by department, then filters the average salary greater than 30,000. Okay. And the final example, select department count as total employees, sum salary as total salary. Okay. And average salary as average salary, comma min salary as lowest salary, max salary as highest salary. Okay. From EMP group by department having total salary greater than 30,000. Okay. We'll check. This one we'll check. Select department count as total EMP, comma sum salary as total salary, average salary as salary, salary as lowest salary, max salary as highest salary, comma from comma not detail from EMP group by department having total salary greater than 30,000. Yes. Okay, in this to department wise full report. Okay, next finally final summary for this count number of rows sum, total value, average, value, min, lowest value, next max, highest value, next group by group data, having to filter group data. Thank you.